Okay, so we got just one more example here of substitution. This one's sometimes a little harder for students, although some students like it just as well. Let's say that in this example we have y equals 2x minus 5, and then in a different equation we know that, say, 3x minus 2y is equal to what was my number? 11? Yeah. Same sort of idea as before. Whatever a letter is equal to, you can substitute it for. So when I notice from my red equation that the letter y is equal to 2x minus 5, I can replace the other letter y with 2x minus 5. So I will be using this blue equation. I didn't do anything to 3x. I didn't do anything to negative 2. But I substituted my 2x minus 5 for where the y was before, because y is equal to 2x minus 5. When you have equality, that means you can interchange them. Now this should look familiar. This is like a unit 2 sort of equation again. When you have parentheses, that's when you're going to distribute. So negative 2 times 2 makes negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 5 makes positive 10. That equals 11. When you have the same type of term right next to each other, you could combine them. 3 minus 4. So negative 1x plus 10 is equal to 11. Let's subtract 10. Negative 1x is equal to 1. And dividing by negative 1, we get that x is equal to negative 1. It's a good idea just to double check that you wrote everything down right. So I'm just going to take a second here and make sure that I didn't do any arithmetic errors. I plugged in 2x minus 5, copied the equation down right, I distributed the negative 2, subtracted the 10, combined my like terms. Okay, x equals negative 1 feels pretty good to me. What I need to do now is use the red equation to figure out what y is equal to. I'm going to substitute the negative 1 that we just found right there, because I now want to figure out what the y is equal to. Solution means both sides of both equations. 2 times negative 1 gives me negative 2. Negative 2 minus 5 gives me negative 7. So I feel pretty good at this point that the solution is negative 1 and negative 7. Let's try double checking that that works for our blue equation. So when I'm double checking, I'm going to do that down here, double check. 3 times the x minus 2 times the y equals 11. That's negative 3, double negative 14, and that checks out. So what do I know? I'll write it in purple. Our solution is the x and the y that makes both sides of both equations equal. And that is substitution for you.